magic tricks, you little 3-year-old kid?
Yay, yay.
Take that. And take this. Boop. Okay, now just jump up high. Wait, oh no! Oh no! Oh hey you! Guy with those ugly Wait a minute, were you that last guy that got a braid over there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, unlucky you. But here, you see these both really cool things? Back up a bit. Take them.
Okay.
Just have these. They're like candy. There's candy. Just bite on the top of them. Go to your mom and dad over there. Go to your mom and dad over there. Okay.
Hey, Mom, look at these. They're cool, right? Hey, are you that guy that does magic tricks?
Yeah?
Can you show me one?
Yeah, sure. Just follow me. Look, you see how this landmine looked really bad, right? It could kill you. Watch.
Yeah.
Bippity boppity boo! Now touch it. It's a cookie. Eat it.
Oh, a cookie! Yummy!
That's so funny when I killed that guy.
Hey, you have killed too many people! You're under arrest!
We know. Wait, I'm way stronger than you.
No, you aren't.